hate this, and I do. I'm in the midst of my morning routine. I have a million beverages. My water's over there. We have athletic greens, a little iced coffee with oat milk. I did my morning sunlight exposure, had my lemon water. That's where I sit on the balcony and look at the sun. Daddy Huberman suggests that when you first wake up or when the light first hits, I don't know, so that your body's circadian rhythm can like do her thing and then you produce melatonin at night. Oh, I don't know, but I did that, made my morning beverages, took my supplements, and now I'm going to read. This is the book that I'm currently reading. I was not feeling any of the nonfiction that I had just bought. I was feeling like I need something more. I need something way more self-helpy. This is what I was reading, and I will still read this textbook. It's just going to be my background nonfiction, and I will read it over time and then read other nonfictions while reading this, because Homegirl is a textbook. That book is all about human nature, obviously. I'm not in that place right now. I need all the help I can get. You guys know I'm always trying to improve myself, but there is so much that it takes to keep everything balanced. One part of your life could be great, one part of your health could be great, but then you're not doing diet or you're not doing exercise, and you're doing one but you're not doing the other. And I feel like I have been in that place for the past month or so. So I needed this. This is from the founder of Parsley Health, and if you guys remember, I forgot how long ago it was, but I think like a couple years, I went to Parsley Health, which is functional medicine. They're all doctors, but functional medicine focuses on the whole picture, and they want to know your entire history of life and all of the things that go on in your lifestyle, what you eat, how you exercise, stress, all of that, because your mind and your body so connected. And a lot of doctors and traditional medicine, they're not really trying to prevent anything. They're just trying to fix things once they've hit that emergency state, like, oh, I have diabetes now. I don't feel very smart this morning, so I'm not gonna try to explain and get into functional medicine versus Western medicine. You can look it up, babes. Anyway, I went to Parsley Health. Going to a functional medicine doctor was the best thing that I ever did, because my entire life, I've always had like bladder issue, UTI things, and I never knew, not my whole life, but my whole adult life, I had issues with like UTIs, UTI symptoms, but no UTIs. It was frustrating. And the doctor had told me that I have an overproduction of mast cells, which I don't know what mast cells are, but I know that all of it has to do with immune system. So it's an autoimmune thing. So she really helped me with that. And then I stopped going to a functional medicine doctor, and I just kind of like went through life. Fast forward to now, this year, so many UTIs without UTIs, so symptoms without having one. No one. I had gone to my regular doctor, not functional medicine, so many times. They didn't even think it was a red flag that I had been on antibiotics like 5 times in 1 year, that I was getting UTIs all the time, that I was getting symptoms without testing positive. I did research on my own. And then finally one doctor was like, yeah, you probably have IC, which is interstitial cystitis. I don't know, look it up, but it's basically UTIs without having a UTI. And a flare-up can trigger for various reasons. And then it was like a light bulb moment for me, because I did research and it mentioned that there was an overproduction of mast cells with IC. And when I was going to the functional doctor, I had cut significantly dairy and gluten, which is inflammatory. And I learned in this book that inflammation doesn't just fuck up your gut, it also fucks up the brain. So what you eat can literally directly affect your mood. This book is so good. I'm only less than 100 pages in, but so informative. Shut up. Just what I needed right now. I forgot that I even had it, but I want to heal my gut. I want to start eating better and actually put in the work. I've just not been eating well. I've been eating too many refined carbs. I've just been lazy with food. Ultimately, my mood has just been... So this is what I needed to get re-inspired to take charge of my health again. But also, I'm 30 days sober today because I wanted to stop drinking alcohol for a bit, forever, I don't know. Taking it one day at a time, seeing how I'm feeling, whether it's just a detox from it or forever, I don't know. But I'm 30 days alcohol free. I feel so good about that. I've been spending my weekends productively. I feel like I've been getting so much more accomplished, and I'm finally working on side projects that I've always wanted to, like the Notion thing. I feel like I've been on a transformational journey all year, but right now it's coming to its head. But I'm going to read my chapter, put on my Studio Ghibli nature loop, and then I am going to go grocery shopping. I just got back from grocery shopping and now I'm going to do just a little bit of meal prepping and then I have more to do later. I'm gonna meal prep granola for the week, and let me just show you my meal dashboard that I made on Notion. I know I showed you a sneak peek of how my Notion rehaul and the Notion templates that I'm going to sell are coming along, but over the weekend I finished the finance dashboard, the meal planning and grocery list, and the fitness and workout planner. This is the meal planning dashboard that I made. So I have a little section here for each day of the week and then the breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack for each of the days, and I pick from the database of recipes. So I never properly plan out my meals for the week and I wanted to really take this seriously, so I did it. And then over here is a link to the grocery list on the database, but that is linked to the pantry, which is all of the items in your house, in your kitchen. I've added formulas for, I have to fix the formulas, but I added formulas for it to check when you have it at your house or in your fridge, your pantry, whatever, and then a little message of like, restock, I don't need it right now, or you have it in stock in your kitchen. And then you also have different grocery stores. Still a work in progress, but I just want to show you how I planned out my grocery list for the week. Also forgot to show you that I did add a little card that's attached to this database that has what I want to meal prep for the week that has to go along with the different meals. I don't know, I felt the feeling and I wanted to do it. This is gonna be so uneven, but you know what? The messier the better. Imagine if I had like bangs like this. I couldn't, I have a 3 head. Do you know what I'm saying? Last time I did this, I didn't like it, sorry. Should I even be, what scissors are these? These are eyelash scissors, wait. I don't know what that's for, but I've been using it to cut my bangs. I'm a little nervy. I want them here. Holy shit, they've grown. So I'm not gonna cut them to my cheeks. I'll cut them here and then keep going and like, you know, cause you can, what? Let's go to the top of my lip just to be safe and then I can snip, snip, snip. Oh my God, I'm a dumb bitch. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's cause my contacts are in, but I can't see close up anymore. Like super close up, my eyes don't focus. Hold on, babes, hold on, I need to concentrate. You'd think I was fucking doing brain surgery. Oh, I cannot even see. It is so blurry. It is so blurry right now. And hair is getting in my eyes. All I did was continue making it shorter. I haven't done the thing. They're gonna be up to here by the time I get them right. I don't like that. I'm sweating. Well, it just looks the same. These are so Dwight-y. Oh, now I'm just raw dogging and free balling over here. I can't even see. I don't know why I'm cutting without vision. Oh, I hate them. Now let's blow dry to see what happens. Also, I blow dry my bangs whenever I shower, but I let my hair air dry because if I don't blow dry the bangs, Dwight. I was roughing it at Coachella camping when I had no mirror, no access to electricity, so I couldn't blow dry my bangs. I just raw dogged it every day and just didn't know what I looked like, and it was fine. One time I went to the bar with a I gotta stop talking like this. One time I went to the bar with a turtleneck. It was winter, mind you, and my bangs were really short, and one of my boy toys was like, oh, the bangs are really doing it for me with the turtleneck, and I was like, a turtleneck? It was the bangs with my eyes. So it was winter. I would never go to the bar with a turtleneck. I don't know. I wore a mini skirt though with tights. So, but I wore a turtleneck and I was self-conscious because I was like, why the fuck am I in a bar with a turtleneck? All right, let's blow dry these hoes. Oh, now they all fit on the little. Let's not trust this until my hair is dry. We're done here. Anyway, I wanted to show you thrift haul because I got stuff from thredUP, not sponsored. I just kept getting emails saying you have credit and I was like, oh my God, this is a scam. And then I opened the emails and I did have credit. I had like $200 in credit. What? I don't even know where that came from. I think it was probably all the clean out bags that I send and I guess they gave me credit. I don't know, it was free money, okay? Also, don't look at the baggings. Little purse. Because you know my little Prada one from the 90s that's from my mom, the strap ripped when I was at the bar like months and months and months ago and I haven't gotten it fixed yet. So This is Bershka, and this is Coach. I had a little card slippy black one. Somehow it was in a grocery bag when I was unloading groceries, and I threw the entire bag away down the trash chute. So lost all my cards, lost my ID. This was a while ago, but I've needed one because I keep my cards in the back of my phone, which can't be healthy. Cute. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Maybe it's because I've had caffeine and no food, which I do all the time, and that's not great, and I feel like this every morning, and then I wonder, why do I feel this way? Anyway, this is summery, which it's like 90 degrees today, but in my head it's fall now. It's giving I need to be in Italy. I am currently reading One Italian Summer. The audio version of it is narrated by Lauren Graham, Lorelai on Gilmore Girls, and I love the book because it's all about this bitch who, her and her mom like that, and that's me and my mom. We are best friends, we're like Gilmore Girls. And so that book, her mom died though, but like, I don't know, not that far into it, but that's what I'm reading. And I want to read it fast because like I'm ready to read fall books. If you have fall book recommendations, hit my line, because we know I reread the same ones every year, but I need some new fall vibes. I need some witchy, some spooky, some cozy, some dark academia, some murder. Leave me recommendations. Next I got a mini skirt. So this is from the brand A Gold, but it's just a black mini skirt. Would look good, great for fall, love it. Boots. Ooh, this was some knee-high boots. Then I got this little bodysuit. It's just a black basic tank top, kind of low backy, not low back, but like swoopty swoops a little bit. It's from Abercrombie. Ooh, what is this? Is this a dress? Why is it open in the back? Wait, no, this is the front. This is like a hospital gown. Is this a shirt? I'm gonna have to look online and see what the fuck I was thinking and what this is. Ooh, I forgot I got these. It's giving fall farmer. It is actually my exact height. I'm gonna throw up. The universe is really looking out for me with this one. This is gonna be so cute for fall. What do I wear under it? I don't know. I'm so excited to look like a little fall farmer. Last thing I got, ooh, is this little black dress. The overalls are BDG. I don't know what that is, so. And then this is from Urban Outfitters. What a little vintage number. So that's everything that I got from ThredUp. I obviously can't leave you the links to this because this was thrifted, one of a kind. That's my thrift haul. I also forgot that I got new sneaky sneaks, because when am I not getting new sneakers? These are from Amazon, but they're Adidas. I will link them below. I feel like I keep buying white sneakers, but they're never the look that I want. They are never the right white sneaker. I don't know. I really don't know, but these are really cute. I love them, and I feel like these are the right sneaker. These are the new sneakers that I got. Amazon, will link them below, from Adidas. Yeah.